El café mexicano, el más chingón.
You know, on the coast of Oaxaca, especially where kind of the bulk of our operation is, there are so many coffee farmers, and almost all those coffee farmers invariably are corn farmers. It's really kind of a perfect marriage of ingredients that are super, super important to this area and that are obviously very important to Masienda.
Pues algo que me gusta mucho de los cafés que se cultivan en esta zona es el paisaje, ¿no? La arquitectura del paisaje. Para llegar a una parcela hay que caminar y cruzar bosques. Eso me encanta del café de aquí, ¿no? Que sabe muchísimo como a fruta, ¿no? Y tiene cuerpo como muy denso, entonces está bastante rico este café.
So BUNA'S we're about to turn 10, and at the beginning we want to share something from Mexico for Mexico, and that vehicle was coffee. We started slowly shifting our philosophy, and what we do instead of just we transform these products and we share them towards we share them so we can conserve ecosystems. And that's where we are now. Our mission is to conserve Mexican ecosystems.
Café rico es café que conserva a la gente, que conserva los ecosistemas donde se produce el café, y café que te alimenta, café que te vitaliza.
So I've actually been a customer of BUNA for a really long time. Always thought it would be amazing to collaborate together, but to me it represented kind of the perfect time to do that. They've really come a long way in terms of how they approach agriculture and coffee, and we've come a long way in how we manage kind of the logistics and sort of operational difficulties of working in kind of very rural parts of Mexico. Starting with the core ingredients of the milpa and now to add coffee to that, we're thrilled to be able to support the biodiversity that exists naturally within these communities.
No, pues de quién es el café, ¿no? Pues de allá de la Sierra Mazateca, ¿no? Café rico.